Hello, my name is Mohammad Hassan and I am from Karachi. Currently, I am enrolled in Near East University as a student of mechanical engineering. I am awarded with 75% scholarship by this institution. I always wanted to study in a university where I can practice my practical abilities and skills and I can enhance them. Because in Pakistan, the universities mostly are focusing on theory rather than on practical studies. I was very confused about this and I was searching website all the day long. I came to know about HMARC consultants. I went over them and they guided me about the Near East University. I searched about Near East University and I found this in the best of my regards. When I came over here to the Near East University, I became the member of engineering club as well. Recently, there was a solar car being made by the university, which also became a part of South African Car Race Challenge. It was an 8-day journey, and I'm really thankful to Near East University that they gave me this kind of chance and opportunity to practice my practical abilities. And it was really amazing working with my team. They all were very cooperative with me. And they all were very good in their respective fields. Once again, I would like to thanks to the Near East University. Thank you very much, University, and HMARC consultants to finding the best for me. Thank you, HMARC consultants.